Hey guys, Josh the Force here, and today I'll be joined by Autumn Surfer. He's AFK a bit, but let's just continue with my farm. Now he's on his keyboard.
Hey guys,
Yeah. So what are we gonna be doing today?
it's not my channel, dude.
Maybe. But let's farm. I'm gonna access you, okay?
Nah, lame.
Where are you going? Getting your pants again?
Nope.
Where?
Everywhere.
Guys, let's warp to him. Wait, wrong button. Nope, still here. So, I'll be warping to Kings. He's on by hand every day. So, now I'll be taking theirs. Okay. Hey, guys. There. Vid. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
That's the rain of your
You guys are on vid.
because I'm there.
So, Autumn Surfer got disconnected, but nah. I dare you to dance with me.
Josh is a gay. Josh is a gay.
Shut up. First,
Josh is gay.
I need to
He got like 4 boyfriends.
for my channel is Josh Davids. Okay, so he will be subscribing me, guys, and then I'll be taking another dares. It's my second vid for the day. Sorry for that. I'm still sick. I'm in bed. So I'll be warping to another friend. There's PMBV. Oh, nice.
1 subscribers from my Josh.
Say hi, YouTube. You are on vid. You are on YouTube. So he doesn't understand first because I guess I don't know what flag is that. Maybe I don't know. They only say apa, and I don't understand apa. Sorry guys, my net is so slow. But I'll be seeing you in my next vid. Bye. No, he's back. Bye.